what's up guys? This is JC46 here again with another tip kung paano hawakan properly yung brake lever. So, pag nagbe-brake tayo guys, iwasan nyo i-grab yung brake lever within 4 fingers. Instead of doing this one, do this 2-finger method. Just like this. Okay? Bakit ganito? Kasi we can use the throttle while braking, lalo na pag rev matching. Instead of doing this one, do this one. And pag nag-brake tayo guys, gradually. What I mean by gradually is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 hanggang sa ma-reach nyo yung pinaka-maximum braking point or power ng motor nyo. So again, not this one, but this one.